Sphidget. Why Sphidget? Sphidget is the combination of a fidget toy, spheres. Spheres were used to create the outer mass to give the toy its total mass. One of the things that I fell in love with after I held it for the first time is the way the light plays across the spinning spheres. It just makes almost like an infinite amount of concentric and intersecting circles of light. It's almost magical. When I was designing this, I wanted it to be as curvy as possible. So when I set out to design something that not only did I want it to be functional, but I wanted it to be beautiful. This Sphidget's kind of hard to explain. You can see it on the screen, you can see it in the drawings. I saw it as I was designing it. And it didn't really become real to me until I actually held it. So when I first created Sphidget, I didn't know what it was going to be like to hold it. And I can't describe the very first time when you're rushing to put something together and you finally spin it for the first time. It was really amazing. That gives me hope that this is going to be a pretty unique product for people like me that appreciate beautiful design and something that really does blend the lines between form and function.
Welcome to SPINPAL, a simple multifunctional fidget toy companion.